Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this video about US dollar index. So let's get started. So I will take you back to the beginning of this year. Since January, I'm tracking this. I'm always tracking, but let's take a look at the charts since January. So 21st January, I made this chart. And it was here. This is a weekly chart, US dollar index. It dropped all the way here, 0698, big, huge number on a monthly chart. So I said, okay, from here, we're going to go back to this number, 1753. That was the target, 2B. This is wave 1 or A. We will go back to 2B and then come down to 3 or C or whatever. So, but need to go to the upside. So let's watch what happened to this chart. So you start to go, this is 28, January 28, February 2nd. It came down a little bit lower to this number, right? From 0698 and dropped to 0595. And still said, okay, from here, we're going to go to this first target is 1426 now. And then, but this is the ultimate target right there, 2B. So after that, this is start to go up. Right? February, that's March, April, May. It went all the way there for this number, 1426. Then it came down back again with this number, right? So I said, okay, this could be, it's not going to go a straight line here, 1753. It could be A, B, C correction. So this is A, this is B, and then we're going to go up for wave C, around 61% or this 1753. And then 61% is 1950. It's coming right around there. So that's what happened. So it start to go up there. Then I says, okay, before it's gonna go, maybe we'll make a harmonic pattern here all the way down here and then go. Let's see what happened to this one. Then start to come down nice and clean to this level here. Again, one more time, 0595 and 0698, just below that, and then start to bounce. So, okay, no problem. Now probably we're going to this 1753 area. And so what happened? Boom, all the way there, and 1753. Right? I made a lot of charts in between, but I'll skip all of that. So from right here, we went there. So that was my eventual target when I made the chart first from here, that we're gonna go there, but we made A, B, C correction here for wave B. This is A, this is B, then this is C. Right? So A, B, C correction, okay, perfect for wave 2 or wave C, whatever. Right? It could be anything. That's Elliott wave is like that. So from there on, I made the chart. This okay. Now we're gonna go back down to 1026. This is October 4th. 1026 was the target. Now, as long as we stay below 1753, and this will happen. These 4 pairs will go up. These 3 pairs will go down. I don't trade a USD franc and Aussie USD, so I'm only on these 5. But this is what happened, right? So look what happened to this chart. It came down, well, wobble a little bit on the sideway. Then this is on October 28. I made this chart that, okay, as long as it stayed below 1753, this area, then this will happen. And then it's going to come down to 1026. What happened to this chart? Coming down, down, down. And this is today. Okay. December 1st, I recorded this chart. So we are at this number here all the way down. So remember, when I said that we're going to come down, this will happen. These 2 pairs will go down, and these 4 will go up. These 3 will go down, right? So watch what happened. My trades from here to here, only in the month of November, I'm going to show you, were taken. This is the 1st November. Your Aussie USD, only USD pairs, the trades involving USD I'm going to show here. Look how many are there based on this US dollar index chart from October, the end of October, till the end of November. Okay, October 28th, December 1st. So the month of November, what happened? This is the first one, Aussie USD going up, pound USD going up for 190 pip. USD yen going down for 100 pip. On the third, your USD going up for 100 pip. On USD going for 150 to the upside. USD yen downside for 105. And every trade is by the book and taken by my EA robot. It's automatically taking, see this arrow here? It takes the trade, it opens the trade, it plays the SL right there, and then later on I see, when I come back and I see, if I'm not there, so I see that, okay, what's happening, and then based on the daily range, I let it go, and then close later on. And before I close, I record the chart. So all of these are taken. See, this is the little arrow. This is taken by AUD-USD to the long side by my EA robot, which is available on my website if you want to buy. So USD yen. Now this USD yen is supposed to be going down, but it's going to go up from 22nd November. Why? Because all of a sudden, yen index start to get very, very weak. And all yen pairs, I traded all of them to the upside, including USD yen. So this is the first trade. Then look, this is the second here. First, second, and then you look, the third entry I took. This was the first one, this was the second one, this is the third one. Right? The first one was what? How much? 85, then 80, then 45. All to the upside because yen was getting very weak. That's the reason. Now, going back to USD pairs, again, pound USD going to the upside, 65 pair. Now, again, after going there, up, and then it's coming down again, right? So USD yen on the 2800 pair. Beautiful entry and taken by the EA. And then USD-CAD finally coming into play, right? This was the entry. It was taking the entry, but I forgot to make the chart. So it came down here and then it went up. So I said, what the hell with it? So I closed it for a few pips. Then again, this entry, and then I, record the chart and close for 85 pips. And then again, this one, this is today. Today means December 1st. Now, I couldn't make the chart because I closed this in a hurry. I had a couple of big positions here. So I wanted, I thought maybe it might go back up because somebody was talking on the wire and it's dangerous, right? So first entry I made with the setup here, 55 pip all the way here. And then this one, second entry, 35 pip, 90 pip. I closed both of them quickly before, this Friday. Friday is always dangerous and all of that. And then not the last, but the least is this USD-CAD here, 1st December today. This is also, and this beautiful short entry here, and by the book entry for 70 pip. So these are all, I counted it already, 15 trades in month of November, only USD pairs, involving USD pairs, based on only this chart. From here to here, the USD weakness coming down and produce so many trades, more than like around 1300 pip. Okay, and I had some SL hit, but once you have the direction, when you know the direction that this is where these pairs are going, so it's very hard to lose. You just have to wait for the setup in the same direction, and that's it. Keep doing, like I showed you, Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie, Aussie USD, only long setups. If there is a short setup, no, I wouldn't take it. I don't put my in that, if it's dropping. Unless there is a reason, like a strong news or something, like what happened to UJ, right? It's supposed to come down, but the index, the yen index start to get weaker badly, and all yen pair went up big time. So I was hitting all of them, including UJ. And then later on, it start to maybe turn again. So this is how, this is what happened to USD. Now, what is going to happen now? That's the question. Now, this is current chart. This is what it is. I just recorded and I just showed you, right? So this is the current chart. But we still have a little bit more to go. This is a 61% if you put the fib from here to here, right? This is where it's going, 61%. To the 61% area, right? And it is also coming monthly high, big number, 1026. But before going there, I think there are two options now. On a 40-minute chart, you can see is that this was like A, B, C, B, and then wave C of a correction, including select wave 1, 2. Now the question is wave 3. Now, is it finish here? And then we have A and B, and then we're gonna go up for wave C to finish up wave 4. Because wave 4 usually comes in for 3 waves, and it should be a little bit more in time than wave 2. So this could not be only, you know, it's like wave 4. No. So this is like wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6, 7 extended. Yes, sometimes wave 3 gets extended. So either this, if we don't go below this, right, 1099, if we do not drop straight up below this, then it's going to go up back to here, 1247 or 1301 maybe, for wave C of wave 4. If you drop, then it's going to drop to 1026, hit the 61%, and then bounce for wave 4. A, B, C will have later on. And maybe in the month of December, that's what it's going to do, because December is the most slowest month of the year, right? And all you get is ranging, and wave 4 is nothing better than wave 4 for ranging, right? Wave 4 is the most dangerous and nastiest wave of all. And one should be very, very careful trading that, right? Well, I do it, but because, you know, once you know that you can do it, but otherwise it's very dangerous, right? But that's what's going to happen. So wave 3, either it ended here already or about to end here, and then we go for wave 4, or we're already in wave 4, and this is wave A, this is wave B. When we were here, I said we're going to go up all the way there. So we went there, but then today we dropped because of the news. On 10 o'clock, it was a red news, or USD, somebody was talking, very bad news. And then it went boom, down. All right, so this is the current situation. Again, the numbers are 1099 to watch. We go below, we go to 1026 and then bounce. If 1099 hold, we're going to go up. USD going to get it strong. And what will happen when just the opposite will happen here? What happens? You know, these things will go up, UJ and UC and UF, and these 4 will go down. That's what's going to happen, right? So 1099 and 1026, these are the 2 major numbers for the next week, and let's see what happens. All right, so I just wanted to show you guys here, that this is what happened. The system, the analysis of the system. If you want to learn, I have a one-on-one course on my website, 10 hours over the Zoom. I'll teach you exactly how I do it, what I do it, and how in my analysis, right? So just learn and then start trading like the way I'm doing, right? All these trades, only, I just showed you in the month of November, only USD pairs involving USD pairs. All those trades worth almost a little over 1,300 pips. I have a lot of yen pairs trades because of the yen index last week and week before. So I'll make a whole week video later on, but this is only involving USD pairs and US dollar index, right? So now I think the picture is clear. 1026 is the major number. Below 1099 is right there. So we are sitting at that number. So we drop a little bit more, 1026, and then we will bounce. Or maybe we're going to bounce first here for wave 4 and then come down and then make the touchdown at 1026, and then we'll go up. So this could be like wave A, B, and then we go for wave C to the upside, or this is the end of it, like here, and A, B, C, and then this is wave 1, and then followed by wave 2, and then drop for wave 3 and 4, 5 to the downside. Whatever. It all depends on the fundies and the situation, you know, the economic condition, right? Elliott wave, you can count both ways. It doesn't matter. You know, you can count this one as wave 1 or correction, wave C. And then this could be wave 1, 2, 3 all the way to the downside, and this could be A, B, and then C more to the upside. What the heck, right? But that's how it is. The route you can understand, but which route this price is going to go depend on the future fundies, the future economic conditions, right? So, you know, if you know the route, both sides, that this is how we can go up and this is how we're going to go down, then doesn't matter. Whichever way it goes, we easily know that this is what's happening and we can follow it. All right. So bye for now and talk to you guys later.